Hi guys, Antonio speaking. Before we go on a ReCreate channel for what concerns the automation engineering and the automation in design, I want to clarify a couple of steps. The first one is that even if it is not possible to understand that I'm not properly English or American because my pronouns, it is perfect, I know. No joke apart, I am Italian, so I will promise you that I will improve for sure my English in the next video. The second one, the second issue I want to clarify is that this video, the aim of this video, it is to share with everybody of you, all the designers and all the engineers, the main concept for what concerns the automation in engineering and in design. That's because we believe that it will be the next future. We believe that we have to make automation in something that time after time have to be done and redone by the designer. And we would like to provide with all of you the toolings, the free toolings on web, in order that you can reduce the timing in design and you can concentrate on the real engineering solution. So let's talk about another side of the engineering and of the design. I would like to spend a few words for what concerns the industrial design. What you have already seen, you can believe it should be quite easy to do, just because you have to insert something that the something it is data, it is number, or maybe value like true or false, so Boolean value, and for what data you insert in mechanical design, it is possible to realize, because we are talking about simply form, simply shape. For what concerns the industrial design, it is not so different from the mechanical design. The main difference, it is, as you can understand, it is just the external shape. So, how can I manage the external shape? Let me introduce you these slides. In the specific way, we are talking about manufacturer for what concerns automotive field. It means that in this way, they can have the design about parts or system about the car, about the automobile, just with a collaboration where there is an exchange of technologies and targets between the engineers and the workshop, and between the engineers and the style department. In this way, ReCreate just can have to resume all the technological features and to identify which could be the targets of the design. In this way, ReCreate it is able to create one neutral module to get on the web, let me say, not about the specific car, but it is a generic module. And it can be customized later and in a private way from manufacturer A and manufacturer B. This operation, it is a real-time operation. What normally needs, let me say, 1 year or several months, it can be just in time in 1 day, no more than 1 day. It means that from the module base, let me say, from a neutral parts available online, the final customer can, in a private way, customize it on the specific design. This operation, it is already possible, and you can do this in protection of your know-how, in protection of your competencies. No more supplier that can show your competencies outside from the web. Everything, it is really, really private, much more than not what it is today.